Hello and welcome to week 4. We're halfway done with this course here in the summer. Time is flying. Well, that is once we get through week 4. You have the Cycle 3 exam. It's called Cycle 3 because if you took Math 092 before, Cycle 1 and 2 are in that. But anyway, you have 3.14 and 3.15 videos and homework. You have a study skills assignment on test taking. There's some things to read and then places for you to respond. There's a Cycle 3 recap quiz. Sorry about that. There's a Cycle 3 recap quiz, which is in my math lab. There's 30 questions on there. So you get 2 attempts at that. The way that that's set up is it's set up like the test. So this will give you a little bit of a practice on what the test looks like, which is you can't retry questions, but the help is turned on for the quiz. So that is a big advantage on that. And you can also do it twice. It keeps the highest score. Then the last thing that you have this week is the Cycle 3 exam. And that is due next Monday, the 6th. And that is set up a little differently than the quiz because you only have 120 minutes to complete it once you start it. So that's 2 hours. So you'd like to reserve a 2-hour block for this. You can use notes and stuff. There's not really any way for me to stop you from doing that since we're not going to require a proctoring service for this right now. But I did put the time limit on there because this shouldn't take you more than an hour. But I don't want you spending like 7 hours just learning everything just to do the exam, right? So you should know stuff well enough. And besides that, most of the questions here are very, very, very similar to ones that are on the recap quiz. So if you go through that recap quiz a couple of times, you should be more than prepared to do this Cycle 3 exam. And then the big difference that you have on here is that there is no help, right? So that's the big, big difference that you have on here. Anyway, that is it for this week. If you have questions on anything, please let me know. I will be catching up on your projects up until now. Sometime later this week, I usually wait until after Tuesday to grade things because you have that 2-day grace period. So sometime near the end of the week. And then we'll bleed into next week and get moving on with Project Part 4 and Cycle 4.